Welcome to the course Your First 1 Million Subscriber Guide. For some small businesses and organizations, getting started on YouTube can be scary. And believe me when I tell you that the advantages of being on YouTube much outweigh the disadvantages. Don't allow your first fear to keep you from trying this amazing channel. Why you should consider YouTube? If your business is struggling, now is the time to step back, reevaluate your idea and marketing, and understand the strategy behind your tactics. Video content can reinforce your brand efforts and awareness, and show off your business expertise. It's also a great way to entertain, educate, and connect with people. In this course, you will understand how the YouTube algorithm works, and I will share with you important tactics that are going to be very helpful to you, even before you start filming. And then we will continue with proven practices from making front-facing camera videos, following with the making instructional videos with screen recording and making faceless YouTube videos. In a world where engagement metrics and subscribers can translate to the success of your brand, I will show you the tricks to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. And now it's time for the main part of this course, the 1 million YouTube subscribers strategy for 2022. In the step-by-step process, I will show you proven strategies that I've been using for my clients to get tons of subscribers and views and other engagement to the channel. Not only that, I will show you tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel even faster. Your YouTube journey does not end here. I will show you the next steps so you can make progress toward your business goals. Are you ready to get your first million subscribers? Let's get started.